Yes guys, welcome back to another video with Online Luke. This video, as you probably saw by the title, which hopefully you're interested in, is how to avoid mistakes when you're putting your arbitrage and private label business together, or getting going. Actually not just the beginning, kind of all the way through. So if you saw the last one, I hope you found it helpful. If not, feel free to have a watch. This one, I'm basically going to, hang on, I've forgotten what the first one was. What was the first one? Yes, first one was about starting your business in a bad position, mentally. This one is going to be about overspending when you start out. I'm not talking about buying products, although that will probably be on another video. Big mistake I made when I started. This was more on the arbitrage model, was overspending on software. What's the old saying, all the gear and no idea, kind of how I started. When I first spotted arbitrage and thought that it would be a good idea, before I actually knew it was a thing, I was looking at clearance Lego in Argos and places like that. And then I was seeing what they were going for on Amazon. And to do that, to see if there was any money in it, obviously I was just looking at the actual price, to see if there's an obvious difference. Obviously that doesn't tell you the full story. So I was using the Amazon FBA calculator. I think I talked about it in a previous video. I might have even showed a way of sourcing using it on one of my other videos. It's an okay tool to start out. It obviously misses lots of details, but anyway, I got a taste for arbitrage using that, and then once I thought I knew the basics, and then I heard that there was all this amazing software, I kind of just went all in. I had everything. Eventually you do need everything, but from the start I had, I think, 3 pieces of deal analysis, three like deal sheets or deal softwares where they source deals for you. I had 2 software analyzers, and I didn't have a repricer at the time, but then after a few weeks or a few months, once my inventory built up, I think I ended up with 2 of those as well. And this subscription, not using the pair of them at the same time, but I subscribed to one whilst using the other, and yeah, I just had software everywhere. And software is essential eventually, but to start with, don't sign yourself up to everything, okay? You don't need it all. Like I said, I started just using the FBA calculator and going between sites. Yes, it's slow. Yes, it's mundane, but it does teach you a lot about how Amazon works and the process and all those kinds of things. So I would definitely recommend not making the mistake I made, and getting every piece of software that you can lay your hands on. Apart from the fact you'll have massive overheads, before you've even started to get a feel for the business. You'll just be chasing your tail, trying to learn how they work. So this mistake is definitely all about not overspending on software. From a monetary point of view, and also from your mind, it's too much to take in to learn how all these things work when you first start. You need to focus on the foundations, again, of your business and how it works and how you get the products into Amazon and where you're going to be getting them from, and all those kind of things first before you end up just overloading on software. Really, advice on software, and I wish I had have done this then, but I guess that's what these videos are about, kind of correcting my mistakes and helping you guys. The first bit of software I wish I'd have got, and it's in all my guides, is BuyBot Pro. And what that is a deal analysis software, and it's not just me. A lot of people say you can't really run a business without it. It is so integral to most businesses now, if not all. You can put in a buy price It will show you the sell price. It will show you all the fees that are coming out from Amazon, delivery, VAT if you're VAT registered. If you're not, you can switch that off. It shows you estimated sales for that product every month, and for like the last 30 days, I think, and then for the next 90. It tells you how many sellers are on that one product. It gives you a whole load of graphs. And these are all things as a beginner starting out that are really useful, that you do need. So if you are going to go and get some software to help, I definitely try BuyBot Pro. You can start with the FBA calculator to start with. If you just go onto the your Seller Central page, homepage, just drop it in a search at the top, FBA calculator. You can definitely use that to get going, to get an idea of what's happening. But you'll probably find as you progress, and you want to get all these things, you don't need to get them all. But if I was going to suggest one bit of software to get you going, definitely BuyBot Pro. There's a link below. Yes, a small commission if you use that link to sign up. You don't have to use that link to sign up. You can certainly go and search them for yourself. It doesn't cost you any more to use my link. So yeah, I'd appreciate it if you did. Helps me get the software and stuff used to edit the videos and stuff. That's it really. So that's probably mistake number 2 out of this little series is definitely going to be overspending on software and gadgets. As I started my business, started with too many overheads, and the small profit I was making that I should have been reinvesting was going on dozens of different software subscriptions. So yeah, mistake number 2. Hope it helps, guys. Really, that's what these are for, to help people not make the same mistakes that I did. And while I'm not actually doing a massive amount of arbitrage, I thought this would be the best time to do it. While I haven't got the money to pump into it, why not go through my mistakes and try and help some fellow arbitragers out. That's about it really, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, if you got anything you want to ask about, drop a comment below, and that's great. Enjoy your day, guys. Stay warm, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.